Welcome to AquaHarvest. We provide a fish farm management platform for small scale farmers. We also have options for newbie farmers to get started into the process as there is lack of mentorship and training. So let's start. This is our homepage and we have the links to the marketplace as well as to get started. So on clicking the getting started button, we are faced with two options: to load a new tank or to find a resource pool for those new to fish farming. So if you are new to fish farming, we have provided a lot of resource pages for this. Here we have shown the popular fishes in the area of the location of the user. There are many resources linked on this page, including a beginner guide. We also have linked subsidy resources so that the new farmers that are setting up their products can find and avail all the subsidies that are eligible to them under the schemes by the government. So on clicking the fish farming guide for beginners, we are redirected to this page by Agri Farming, which provides all the information that are required to start a business, a fish business as well as the farm. Another major link that we have is the subsidy resources, which directs to the the NIC page for all the centrally sponsored schemes of subsidies available. So we can find subsidies on construction of new ponds, inputs, integrated fish farming, as well as all the renovations, transportations, and all the health test kits and quarantines that are required for the health of the fish, as well as some subsidies that are given on every buy of fish feed. Now, once we go back to registering our marketplace, we have the option load new tank. On clicking load new tank, we are faced with an entry form where we will enter the farm name, email address, the credentials, the bio details, location and phone number. So on entering the password as well as a phone number, we are registering our new farm. And in the new farm, we can add a tank. Now we can add a new tank to this farm. I add tank 1, number of fishes as 1 of all the options. Then I want to add a new fish. I want to add a catfish, and I already have about 2000 catfish in my farm, and I enter the breeding date. So I started breeding on 28 and I submit. So now this tank would have multiple sensors. So now I have the option to enter a sensor that I already have. So I enter pH sensor and click submit. Now we will show you the dashboard of an experienced fish farmer. So this is the user, and the user has about 5 tanks and 7 varieties. So this is tank 1. As you can see the location, the number of varieties, the pH level of that particular tank, as well as the oxygen level, among other details. So for these are all the example tanks that can be shown in a sample fish farmer's profile. So we also have the option to add alerts. So a tank, if the pH level or the oxygen level or the ammonium level of a tank goes beyond or below the required levels, alerts are sent to their emails as well as their phones. Now, after the fish have reached the mature stage, we also are providing a marketplace for them to display all the fishes that they have. So now let's go to the marketplace. So in the marketplace, you can see all the fish that have reached maturity and are ready to be caught. So here we have Katla from Kottayam, the Rohu from Ernakulam, and the catfish that I entered earlier, as well as the carp. So on clicking buy now, you will be redirected to these vendors page, where you can see the catfish, the location, the farm name, the contact numbers, and as well as the rate for that particular fish.